Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Glitch Gremlin AI token. Ticker symbol is Gremlin AI, all one word. This token just came out 15 hours ago on the Solana blockchain, and it is trending number 24 right now in the Solana section on DEX Screener. Huge project. They have a 24-hour trading volume so far of $39.6 million. We're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project at Glitch Gremlin AI on Twitter. Blue verified checkmark, 35 tweets. It says the Chaos Agent, bringing chaos as a service to Solana. Then it has a link to their devs Twitter right there, has the contract address right there. They just joined Twitter January 2025. They already have 2,032 followers. Blue verified checkmark, 35 posts. So their webpage also right there, glitchgremlin.ai. You can see the contract address ends in pump because this token was created on pump.fun, a webpage for creating Solana tokens. And so it's real easy to find the contract address. So if you wanted to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, you could use a Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or a MetaMask wallet. And you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you'd find Raydium using the contract address that you could find right there on their Twitter. You would trade your Sol for the Gremlin AI token. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off of Raydium, so just be aware of that. Now their webpage here, glitchgremlin.ai, has a link to their GitHub, Telegram, Twitter. It says the Artificial Intelligence Chaos Agent for Solana, GGAI. So Gremlin AI is more than just another meme coin. It's a revolutionary chaos as a service platform that helps developers stress test their Solana dApps through controlled chaos. Our AI-powered Glitch Gremlin creates unpredictable scenarios and simulates real-world attacks, helping you build more resilient applications. Now, the project combines on-chain mechanics, AI-driven scenarios, community governance, real-world dApp security probing, and the token details. It says there's 9 decimal places on this token. Ticker symbol Gremlin AI, all one word. Chain Solana, and total supply is 1 billion tokens. Now, they have here some documentation linked on their webpage as well, and that takes you over to ggai.gitbook.io. And it says, it says it's more than just a meme coin. They want to help you build resilient applications. Glitch Gremlin's architecture relies on a split between on-chain and off-chain components. So it says a Solana program, Glitch Gremlin program, handles token escrow, records chaos requests, updates request states, and provides governance hooks. So an AI-driven aggregator that periodically queries the blockchain for pending chaos requests, performs the request tasks in a test environment, and writes back the results to the chain. By offloading the computational heavy and dynamic AI tasks to an off-chain environment, the system preserves Solana's throughput and keeps costs predictable. The on-chain program maintains trustless accountability and ensures that Gremlin AI tokens are properly managed. So the Glitch Gremlin program is written in Rust and deployed on Solana's mainnet. It has multiple entry points that define how users and off-chain services interact with Gremlin AI. So it says the chaos request initialization checks whether the caller has enough Gremlin AI to pay for the requested chaos, transfers, escrows the required amounts to the caller's wallet into the program escrows account, and creates a chaos request, an account that stores the request parameters and references. So then we have chaos request finalization. So off-chain AI engine calls back with a signed proof of chaos completion. The program updates the chaos request accounts to mark the request as completed or failed. And if partial refunds or additional fees are applicable, the program updates token balances accordingly. And then we have governance hooks. So integrates with a standard Solana governance module. Allows for proposals that, if passed, automatically create a fund chaos test from the protocol treasury. And potentially triggers special events. So on their document section, if you go to ggai.gitbook.io, you can check out data structures and accounts. Check out the Glitch Gremlin program info, off-chain engine, chaos as a service, security and abuse prevention, token mechanisms and distribution, governance and community chaos challenges. They have roadmaps and milestones and developers tools and documentation. Now this token is up 4,051% and just came out 15 hours ago. Almost $40 million in 24-hour trade volume, over 87,000 transactions today. $56 million, or sorry, not 56, $5.6 million market cap and $393,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium. And according to DEX Screener, 99.99% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that is great to see. Now go check out the Gremlin AI token and let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.